John from S&S Cycle here. I'm here to talk to you about our oil change kit. It features 4 to 5 quarts of oil and a premium oil filter. It can be used on most 1984 to 2019 Sportster, Big Twin, and M8 models. Our 2050 weight works well for breaking in new parts such as cams and big bore kits. It also features an additive package of high zinc content to reduce the wear of your motor, as well as an additive for moly friction reduction. While the 2050 weight works perfectly for your motorcycle engine, we also offer a high-performance full synthetic primary and transmission fluid. There are several all-in-one oils on the market that are very much a compromise in quality. We prefer a unique lubricant for engine, transmission, and primary for the best results. One more thing to note, our oil is a specially spec'd formula blended for S&S Cycle by a local manufacturer. For more information about the oil change kit, please visit sscycle.com.